What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, you guys seen the videos yesterday and the day before that, man. We've been going up all weekend. We had a blast, man. It's time to get back to work, though. It's time to go to the city, go scoop up that green paint set from Antonio, get them bags situated, and start getting that thing pretty much put back together. My boy's working on some stuff as well, so we're going to go down there, check out his bike, see what he's got going, man. So without further ado, we in the gas saver today. Today, we are not in the wrap, man. So you already know it's going to be about 30 bucks to fill up. No big deal. But without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's head to the city and get up out of here, dog. Man, we done finally made it to the city of dreams. Downtown LA in the background, man. It's bright and early today, man. I just wanted to let you guys know the raffle is live, man. We only got maybe about 60 tickets at this time I'm recording this, so maybe in the next couple of days it may be complete at that time. Who knows? But it is live right now, man. So if you haven't already, tune in to everythingsregular.com and you can win that Harley, man. So we down here downtown LA getting some stuff situated for the mask and all that good stuff, man. So stay tuned. About to get this thing going, man. Alrighty, man. Just pulled back up to the shop. My boy over here getting cracking, man. Y'all know he gotta have stuff spick and span, man. Every time I see him, he always switching some stuff around, doing something, man. But, you know, that's always a plus. A lot more room to work. So, you know, it's going up, man. This is the bike that's heading to Washington. We're actually gonna be taking off these chrome pieces today and everything, getting them sent to powder coat because the paint, the body tints are done. Antonio's pretty much done with that. So once we pick up the body tints from Antonio today, we're gonna start assembling the bags and then just getting all the stuff pretty much situated, the bars and all that stuff, because you can't even put on the inner fairing without the bars and stuff on there. So this thing is gonna be flowing pretty quick from here on out. Antonio, we was just waiting on him, but now that he's good to go, we can pretty much get this thing in motion. We just didn't want to have this stuff just sitting around and stuff like that. But next up on the chopping block, man, you guys already see what's going on. My boy got projects in here, man. This is the Road King that you guys seen him scoop up a couple weeks ago now. I believe this one is a 2013. It's got the 103 on it with a tuner and some more stuff. He's getting ready to hit this one after. You guys got to tune into his channel for that. But, man, make sure you stay tuned, because if you guys are looking for a Road King, you guys know I've never had a... No, for sure. No, for sure. Just like my boy said, man. Y'all seen the event up in AZ, man. So if y'all want to go there, man, and be popping and slide and looking like riding something nice, man, you guys already know what to do. My boy gonna get this Road King looking real good. Just waiting for some more parts to come in the mail and everything will be tackled all at once. You know, we hate doing stuff in parts, but it is what it is. So stay tuned for that one. This one is getting out of here soon. Well, not even soon, like literally today. This one is already done. It's just waiting for the guy to come pick it up. But other than that, we here, man. Alrighty, man. My boy done got this primary off. All right, man. Now, if y'all see this sprocket, any of you motorcycle guys out there, man, y'all let me know if this looks stock or not. It's a 09 Street Glide. Well, Dre doesn't think it looks stock. I don't think it looks stock. Who knows?
It probably is a stock. I don't know. It just looks different than others I made. But then again, you know what it is? On my bike that I had, that shit had that compensator sprocket. So that one probably is the stock one. And I had the
you already had the juice. You was used to the juiced up one, man.
God, because mine was like this small. So
yeah, you was popping wheelies on that joint.
Ratio was way different.
Yeah, you had the juice stuff, man. False alarm, but other than that, we got the primary off. About to get all the parts sent to powder coat. So those should be out maybe tomorrow. That should be dope, but we're gonna get the other little pieces off real quick. Alrighty, guys, so we got this thing freaking ready to go, stripped down. We got all the covers and everything off. Everything is ready for powder coat. Well, all the engine pieces, rather. But it is looking good. Can't wait to see this thing murdered out. It's gonna look sick. It's gonna look sick, man. Y'all see all the pieces over here? That's going to get done. So stay tuned, man. Gonna have this thing shined up. Now that we got that situated, man, we got a couple more pieces that we got to take to Antonio, but about to go to Antonio and pick up the rest of the pieces, man. So let's go there and see what they looking like, dog. Just pulled up to Tonio's. Yes, sir. Tonio, what's up, man? What's up, Tonio? Okay, got that green going. What we got here, man? Y'all see it going up. Ooh, wee. Nice dark green. Looks good. What's up, Tonio? How you doing? Good seeing you, man. Y'all know we gotta see the range. Oh, yes, sir. We gotta see this in the sun, Tonio. Let's see. Gotta see one in the sun. Let's see. Okie dokie. Oh. Woo. Yes, sir. That green is looking freaking good. Now it's dust because, you know, we're at a body shop, but once we clean this up, oh my God. Freaking stupid wet. Antonio did a fabulous job on this. Let's see what everything else looks like. Let's see what this lid is looking like. Oh my God. Tonio. Golly. That boy got that wet. Got them skills on that joint, dog. Oh, wait, I'm digging it, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, dog. Woo, about to get this stuff loaded up, though. All right, man. We got everything loaded up. Ready to go. Everything loaded up. No scratches. Ready to go up, man. So let's head back to the shop and offload this real brief, like, big dog. Alrighty, man, we didn't pull back up to the shop. Got the pieces laid out. Now we still got them in the wrap because, man, we don't want to scratch them or have nothing going. But man, if we put the light up on this thing, oh yeah, it does look amazing. Then we got the other parts over here laid out, ready to go. Let's see. That thing look good. Let's see it in the sun, man. Let's see. Let's see it in the sun, doggy. Let's see. Whew. Oh my God. Yes, sir. Yes, that is a green for you, dog. I ain't gonna hold you. In the sun, this thing look totally different. Man, what y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. That thing is beaming. Man, y'all know we had to pull up on my dog. He just got this truck. Remind me of my joint, yeah?
Hey, we're going everywhere now, man.
This dude with the gray Harley, man. Got his truck now, so now you can load your bike up and all that, man.
Ain't no getting left this time.
He said, man, I miss AZ because I couldn't get a hold of a pickup. Hey, nah, for sure the bike should fit in this thing, bro.
No problem.
The whole bike should fit in here.
I gotta clean this shit though.
Nah, you good. The whole bike should fit up in here.
Yeah, buddy.
And you got the wheels on there. Yeah, that look cool, man. I swear I wish I still had my white one, but it's all good. It's all good. Nah, it's fair. I like it, man.
I gotta get that shit that you were talking about now. I seen somebody with it.
Yeah, you gotta get the flares and you gotta get them color matched. It's gonna look way 10 times better.
I wanna get this shit painted a different color though.
Oh yeah, man. It's gonna get there, man. Y'all see what's going on. Alrighty, guys. Next morning here, man. I was tired as heck. Didn't even get a freaking video when I got in last night, but today is always better. Here we have the 2013. That's at about, maybe as we speak, 40 tickets left. If you guys want a chance at winning this 2013 Harley Davidson, man, all you got to do is go to everythingsregular.com and get your entry. You guys go get that right now. The link is below in the description. So if you guys just click where it says enter now, that'll take you right to the link where you need to be. But this one is pretty much ready for everything because we got all the parts over here. We got our little, we got our mirrors. The chrome is covered with that. We got our side turn signals for the street glide. So we'll take, this old big bulky thing is gonna look way different now with that slim street glide look. We do have our windshield. We got a new windshield here, shaded one, of course. We have our wraparound right here. Okay, and then in this big box down here, we have our inner and outer fairing, along with our shifter here. We're waiting for one more shifter to come in the mail. But other than that, we do have the red bike here, no big deal there. But we do have the black bags. We will be getting, we will be taking apart and putting on this bike, and we'll be getting the saddlebags color match so it'll look a whole lot better. Now I'm still trying to find some turn signals for these. If not, I'll just take this chrome piece off and powder coat it. That's honestly what I think I'm gonna do. Probably just gonna take this off and powder coat it if I can't find any turn signals for this bike in particular. I'm gonna go do my research today, but we'll just have to see how that goes. This thing will also come with some 14-inch bars, so that'll be cool. These stock bars just definitely have to go. So I can't wait. You guys will get to pick your color and everything, man. So if you guys are interested, make sure you head over to everythingsregular.com and click the link below right now to go get your ticket and go get your entry, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We dipped off to the city, went to Antonio's, picked up the green paint set. That thing is flawless, looking great. It's getting ready to get put back together. Then it's heading up to Washington, man. When we head back to the city this week, we're gonna pick up the 21-inch, then throw that in the powder coat, so it should take about a day or so. So this weekend, that bike is looking like it's gonna be finished up. So hopefully we can get everything going. But without further ado, man, we do got the silver bike back here. That can be yours at whatever color you want. It's gonna be on a 21 as well with the wraparound. You guys seen all the parts, man. So make sure you head over there now. But in the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.